Hello, hello, friends. Welcome back to English Chat Channel.
Hi, everyone. Nice to hear you again.
My name is Emma. I am your teacher.
And I am Leo. I learn English with you.
This podcast is for beginners. Easy English, slow English.
Yes. Listen, repeat, practice.
Today is episode 3.
In episode 1, we learned basics.
In episode 2, we learned family and colors.
Today, we learn new things.
Yes, today we learn feelings, weather, clothes, directions, and simple questions.
Great. Let's start.
First, feelings.
Feelings are how we feel.
Yes, listen and repeat.
Happy,
Sad,
good,
tired,
hungry.
okay.
Again, slow.
Everyone repeat.
Happy,
Sad,
good,
tired,
hungry.
okay. Nice.
How are you?
I am happy.
Happy,
I am good.
good,
I am a little tired.
tired.
Now you, Leo, how are you?
I am okay. I am a little hungry.
Now, weather.
Weather is outside.
Yes, listen and repeat.
Sunny,
Rainy,
cloudy,
hot.
cold.
Again,
Sunny,
rainy,
cloudy,
hot.
cold.
Great.
How is the weather?
It is sunny today.
Sunny,
It is hot today.
hot,
Sometimes it is rainy.
rainy.
Very good, Leo. Now, clothes.
We wear clothes.
Yes, listen.
Shirt,
Shirt,
pants,
pants,
shoes,
shoes,
jacket,
jacket.
hat.
Again, slow.
Shirt,
Pants,
shoes,
jacket.
hat.
Nice.
What do you wear?
I wear a shirt.
Shirt,
I wear pants.
pants,
I wear shoes.
shoes.
Now you, Leo.
I wear a jacket. I wear a hat.
Good job. Now, directions.
How to go?
Yes, listen.
Left,
Right,
straight,
near.
far.
Again,
Left,
right,
straight,
near.
far.
Good.
Where is the shop?
Go straight, turn left.
Left,
The shop is near.
near,
The park is far.
far.
Now, simple questions.
We ask things.
Yes, listen.
What is this?
It is a book.
Where are you?
I am at home.
How are you?
I am good.
Again,
Everyone repeat.
what is this?
Where are you?
How are you?
Nice.
What is this?
It is a phone.
Good.
Where are you?
I am at work.
Great English. Now, practice.
How is the weather?
Say, it is sunny.
What do you wear?
Say, I wear shoes. Good job. Now, a small story.
Easy story.
Listen, today is sunny. I am happy. I wear a shirt and shoes. I go straight to the park. The park is near. I sit and drink water. I feel good.
Nice and easy.
Now you, Leo.
It is cold. I wear a jacket. I go to work. I turn right. Work is near. I feel okay.
Very good, Leo. Now, review.
We learned feelings.
Happy, tired, hungry.
We learned weather.
Sunny, rainy, cold.
We learned clothes.
Shirt, shoes, jacket.
We learned directions.
Left, right, straight.
We learned questions.
How are you? Where are you? Thank you for learning with us.
Practice a little every day.
Speak English every day.
See you in episode 4.
Bye-bye, friends.
Goodbye.